Model, 69 plate Peugeot Expert Professional L2 1.5 HDI starts runs needs engine repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 137424. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. There is a popping sound coming from the intake. We suspect it has some kind of timing, top-end valve or rocker issue. Bottom end sounds good. Straightforward repair if you know what you're doing. Absolute bargain with no VAT to pay. Condition summary, bodywork